The truth about the stock market. Let's talk about the stock market, aka the world's most confusing casino, where people pretend they know what they're doing while panic refreshing their Robinhood app. But here's the twist. Unlike an actual casino, the stock market is one of the few places where, if you actually study, you can build real wealth. It's not luck, it's strategy. The market is just a giant auction house. Companies sell ownership in the form of stocks so they can raise money. And we, the retail army, buy tiny slices and hope they don't go bankrupt. You buy a share of Apple? Congrats, you now own 0.000000001% of the company, and you get absolutely no say in anything. But still, welcome to capitalism. Now, let's break down how this beast actually works.
When you hear people say the market's up, they're usually talking about indexes like the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, or the Dow. These are basically scoreboards that track a basket of companies. But prices move for two main reasons: value and vibes. Value is based on earnings, growth, and actual performance. Vibes? That's emotion, hype, Elon tweets, and whatever weird signal Jerome Powell gives with his eyebrows. The market is a mix of hard math and irrational chaos. That's why sometimes a company crushes earnings and still drops 10%. Meanwhile, some garbage stock gets pumped 300% because someone on Reddit said "to the moon." But once you accept that the market isn't fair, you start focusing on the part you can control: your hour entries, exits, and risk management. And this brings us to the players involved.
You've got investors and traders. Investors are in it for the long haul. They care about compound growth, dividends, and retirement. Traders? We're here for the volatility. 5-minute charts, tight stops, high conviction. Or pure delusion. Both camps can win, but the difference is mindset. Investors build wealth over time. Traders try to extract income from volatility. But either way, the real winners are the ones with rules. The market punishes emotion. It punishes greed. And it loves exposing people who have no plan. So, whether you're holding Tesla for 20 years or scalping SPY for 20 minutes, the key is understanding what moves the market and mastering your reaction to it. Now, let's bring this home.
Here's the truth. The stock market doesn't care about your feelings, your horoscope, or how much DD you did in a Discord chat. It rewards preparation, it respects discipline, and it always comes for those who think they're smarter than the game. So stop chasing signals from strangers and start learning how price moves. Understand supply and demand. Learn how institutions trade. The patterns are there. You just have to stop gambling long enough to see them. In the next video, I'll break down how to spot real trends versus fake-outs, so you don't keep buying the top and selling the bottom like it's your job. Hit that subscribe button, and let's level up.